With Django CMS, our goal is clear. We want to put the best tool possible into the hands of web content creators. The new Django CMS 3.5 represents a significant step in that direction. It's becoming a tool that allows you to do more while thinking less about the tool itself. One way we achieve this is very simply by making the CMS faster and more responsive. You can see this in the new implementation of the plugin structure board, where the performance gains speak for themselves. Here we have the same project running side by side in two versions, Django CMS 3.4 and the new 3.5. The interface responds more promptly to each user action, and the total sequence of operations, which includes manipulation of complex plugin trees, is significantly quicker overall in 3.5. What took more than 22 seconds before now takes less than 13. The way the page structure updates independently of the rendered page, returning control to the user without any perceptible delay, is not only much faster, but gives the interface a completely different feel. The effect is to bring the task closer to the user, more smoothly than ever before. Other improvements help transform the experience in structure mode. The structure board now opens as an overlay on the page, allowing you to manage plugin structure and content at the same time. Hovering over content and pressing the Shift key will highlight the corresponding section of the structure view and vice versa. You'll find numerous changes and refinements throughout the interface. Technical improvements across the CMS in this release serve to benefit the user. For example, the results of substantial work on the node system responsible for generating menus and site hierarchies will also become apparent, especially at scale and in large multi-site installations. Speed gains such as this don't just make the CMS faster. In practice, they help turn it into a tool that works so naturally and effectively that the user stops noticing the tool and sees only the work. We've attained these speed increases through work to decouple internal components, making the system more modular, which also makes it easier still for developers to build new integrated functionality and applications. These are just some highlights of the many improvements made in the system, all of which are part of our aim to reach new and more demanding markets. Django CMS remains free open source software. It's limitlessly extensible and flexible. It has always been a favorite for developers, and now it's competing with industry-standard heavyweight products as a system of choice for corporate platforms too. See our website for more information about the brand new release of Django CMS 3.5.